How to activate Alaska Airlines Visa credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Alaska Airlines Visa credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to do this, you will need to go to the Bank of America's activation site. You can simply type in activate Alaska's Airlines Visa credit card. And if you hit enter, you will see Bank of America's website on the top. So you can head over to this website, let it load, it can take some time. And after you're on this website, what you'll need to do is just look for the activation section. So let's let that load, there we go. Now as you can see right here, there are ways you can activate your card. So first is you will need to log in into your account. So first, after you log in into your account, they will confirm your identity, verify your card, and then finally activate your card. So it's that simple. And what you can do is sign in into your online banking first. Tap on that, head over to this option, type in your user ID and then your password. And after you do that, you will then be logged in. After you log in, just they will verify your identity and card, and hence your card will be activated. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.